You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change your region or country in the Instagram app. Open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, tap on Profiles and select your Instagram profile. Now, tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Contact Info. Look for the section labeled Country Region. Please note that this setting is not always available or editable for all accounts, as it is primarily determined by the information you provided when you signed up and your current device's location. If the option is available, can tap on Country Region and follow the prompts to update it, which may require you to verify the change. If you cannot see or change this setting, it is likely automatically set by Instagram based on your IP address and phone number. Using a VPN might temporarily change how your account appears, but officially updating this detail is often restricted to prevent misuse. For more clarity, you can check Instagram's Help Center for their official policy on region changes. For more simple social media tutorials, subscribe to the channel.